Hi, my name is Daniel Cohen and I'm a search engine optimization expert. This online video tutorial will demonstrate in real time how we can post and promote your custom message on millions of forums, blogs, and message boards worldwide. Now to begin, we're going to log into one of our advanced servers dedicated to posting and promoting on behalf of our clients. I've created a demonstrational post to walk you step by step through exactly what it is our software is able to do. Now, what you see here on the screen in the upper left-hand corner is the software's unique ability to generate unique usernames for each and every one of the different forums that we're going to be registering to. Down below, we have the email validation section. The software is able to extract the email from our servers and validate the links that are sent from the forums. And finally, we have the forum posting section. What you see here, it may appear in gibberish to you, but nevertheless, this is the actual campaign profiling, which is the posting section. And our software does complement BB code. In other words, we have the ability, as you see here inside of the posting section, to include BB code, which is the standard for all forums. It's sort of like HTML that allows us to post pictures inside of the forums. So what you see here, for example, is a picture that is posted inside of the forum. And as I say, a picture says 1,000 words. In other words, a lot of our clients that are promoting their websites, products, or services, they really want to scream what it is that they're promoting. And in fact, what I'm going to do here is, you can see, I've written some campaign text that I'd like to read out loud. And what it says is, we can post your promotional message on millions of forums worldwide. No, this isn't spam email. It's penetrating online established communities relative to your website, products, or services. Not only does this increase your search engine optimization and web traffic, but by targeting forums relative to your online activity, you're also able to increase your potential sales. You define the title, the post, and the anchor text, which can include the URL backlink to your website. A lot of people ask, why use our services? First and foremost, we're the best at what we do. You won't find this is not off-the-shelf software. In fact, we're not even selling the software. We're selling our services, which include improving your search engine optimization and your search engine rankings, gain Alexa ratings, you're increasing your web traffic, branding your domain and your products, improving your sales and your market potential. What you see down here, again, this is just a picture that I've included inside of the post. And down below you have here is the a backlink. Let me explain what a backlink is all about. Search engines like Google, Yahoo, MSN, they don't know how much organic web traffic is going to your website. In other words, how many people just open up a browser and go straight to your website. Search engines know how much traffic they send to your web traffic to your website, but they don't know how much organic traffic. In other words, again, how many people just open up a browser and go straight to your website. But the way that search engines are able to determine the popularity of your website is by the amount of third-party websites that are backlinking to your website. In other words, if you have 10, 15, or 20 third-party websites that are linking to your website, then your website is sort of insignificant. In fact, you're not popular at all. But if you have 10, 20, or 50,000 third-party websites that are linking to your website, then you're more than significant. In fact, you're very, very popular. So what our unique ability to register and validate registration and post on forums, it's not only to gain potential web traffic, but it's also to improve your search engine optimization rankings. Because again, by having millions of backlinks on third-party forums, blogs, and message boards worldwide, you're simply convincing the search engines that your website is very, very, very popular. Now, as you can see in the background, what is happening is the software is running. and it's running extremely fast. As you can see here in the current position, what we have here is various forums worldwide being posted on. The software complements multi-threading. It complements proxies. In other words, if they ban one IP, we come in with from a different IP and still have the ability to post. It handles the email validation, full reports, and in fact, if you notice down here, we have posting and mass PM. Posting is posting on the general forums, and which is great for search engine optimization. Mass PM is connecting to the forum for the purpose of a little bit more of an intimate approach, which is sending connecting to the user database of the forum and sending intimate messages, which are called PM messages, private messages, to each one of the different individual forum members. Now, what I'm going to do is answer a couple of preliminary questions that a lot of our customers like to ask, which is, first and foremost, how much web traffic does this bring in? And let me stay straight out that the answer to that is strictly relative to the campaign itself. In other words, let's say you were able to somehow manually register to 1 million forums. Well, that'd probably take about 10 years, but nevertheless, after posting to your custom message to 1 million forums, how much web traffic do you think that'll bring you? Well, let me answer that for you as well. Traffic conversion is first and foremost relative to the quality of the post that you're publishing. In other words, take a little bit of responsibility. The quality of your and the success of your campaign is entirely dependent on the quality of your post. In other words, if you have a good post that is simple to read, it makes sense, and it's sincere, then in most cases you'll have success. Sure, I can enrich it with a nice picture, etc., etc., but make sure that there's, campaigning a lousy post with grammatical errors, slang, or misspellings, etc., will probably bring you limited traffic. A second question that a lot of our clients like to ask is, do forum webmasters or search engines know that we're using automated methods to post and promote on behalf of our clients? And the answer is no way. They have no way of knowing. So you can rest assured that our method of posting, it's entirely discreet and anonymous. There is no way for anybody to know that we're using automated methods. Now what you see here, I've opened up the logs, and sort of to demonstrate to you what it is that our software is able to do. And as you see here, this is the actual log, and usernames, etc. It includes all the information that that is relative to the posting campaign. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these random posts, and just for the purpose of showing you what it is that I'm going to take that, and I'm going to copy paste that into a sort of demonstrate to you what it is that we do. And there you go. The forum post has been published on a third-party forum called petercorbin.com. That's one of many of the posts that we've posted on. Again, these are all unique forums. One is not related to the other forum, and basically, what again, I'll just browse down the and randomly pick something that looks normal. In fact, I'll take that and double click. And as you can see again, some forums won't actually post a picture, but as you can see, this is another a social network forum.